Hello class, you are welcome to the next lecture, third lecture in our course, Computer-Based Curriculum Development. Today we are looking at curriculum terminologies. Curriculum terminologies. We have some terms we use in curriculum. Let's look at, we have official curriculum, the formal curriculum, actual curriculum, co-curriculum. We often hear these things, so we want to know what exactly it is. Now, when we talk of the official curriculum, it is the explicit, intended, recommended, or prescribed or adopted curriculum. So, what has been accepted is the official curriculum. Now, when you talk of the formal curriculum, it consists of all the experiences that are allocated time on the timetable. So, I don't think the curriculum will make mention of morning assembly or silence hour. But silence hour is featured on the timetable, so that makes it a part of the official curriculum. Now, when you talk of the actual curriculum, we are looking at, though we have been given the official curriculum to teach this and that, because of certain circumstances, the actual things that the students teach and the learners learn are what we call the actual curriculum. So, the actual curriculum differs. The actual curriculum may differ from school to school and region to region. Then co-curricular, all the experiences that learners are exposed to, which may not be official but not accidental. That is, we have debating clubs and all that, sports. They may not have an official place in the curriculum, but it's part of the curriculum. So that is co-curricular curriculum. So sports, clubs, so these are co-curricular activities. Hidden curriculum. Now, when you talk about the hidden curriculum, these are the knowledge, skills, values, attitude that learners acquire as a result of how a school is planned or organized. So, when you go to a mission school like Valley View University, at least because of how the school is structured, you have to go to church, you have to do this, do that. You imbibe some skills, you imbibe some values. So you leave the walls of that institution and you have some cherished values with you. So that is part of what they call the hidden or the covert curriculum. Though it's not made plain, it's often implicit in the curriculum. Okay. And when you talk about the non-curriculum, we are looking at that part of the curriculum where students never learn. So we have robotics as part of the computing curriculum. So a school who doesn't have this gadget may not, or don't have teachers with the requisite knowledge to teach this, they may not learn it. So the student might complete JHS and might never have heard of robot because the teachers never taught them. That is part of the now curriculum. So the actual curriculum and the now curriculum comes together to make the official curriculum. Okay. Let's now look at determinant of the curriculum. Determinant of the curriculum. A curriculum is determined. Let's look at what are we can put it this way. What are some of the things that affect curriculum development? So those are the things we are looking at. The society. You see, the needs of the society is what drives a curriculum development. So what the society needs is what the curriculum is written to serve. You get it? So that is one determinant of the curriculum. Philosophy. Philosophy is the thinking of the people who are developing the curriculum also has an effect on the curriculum. So if people believe that students should be taught, students should be made to learn under the feet of an experienced person, serving as the pilot of knowledge, then it's going to be an idealist driven. Okay. Finance. Finances also affect the curriculum, because if look at the curriculum we recently developed, the new standard-based curriculum. What happened is that there are certain components which teaching it demands that you purchase some gadget, like the robotics I used as an example earlier. So if the government is not committed, the government might say that some of these things, because I cannot finance them, I cannot resource the school, take them out. So it's a determinant. And then knowledge. What knowledge is to be learned also affects curriculum development. Then the learner. The characteristics of the learners we are developing the curriculum for also has some effect on the curriculum development. The teacher. It is the teacher who is serving as the facilitator. So the teacher plays a key role. So the teacher's characteristics also affect curriculum development. Then government policies. So the government says now it's extending, it has extended basic school to SHS1. So what that means is that the curriculum must also be designed to fit into the government of the day's policies. So government policies also affect curriculum development. Then psychology of learning. How people learn also affects how curriculums are developed. Then examination bodies like WAEC, like or the NTC, they also affect curriculum development. At times what they want, it has to be featured in the curriculum so that students don't fail. Then cultural factors also affect the curriculum. Then the existing curriculum. So the curriculum we have in existence before developing the new one also influences the design, because if you want to design a new curriculum, you must look at the old curriculum, look at the good things and the weakness of that curriculum. before you can also design a new one. Okay, so next lecture we'll look at the educational philosophies of curriculum development. Thank you.